Using a capo in double drop D tuning lets us take advantage of the open strings up and down the fretboard as we use the capo. So first of all, let's just look at progression, a DGA progression without the capo on. So we've just got it here on the nut. D, G, A, D. Now let's put the capo on the first fret, and these same shapes, the DGA shape, will become an E flat, G sharp, D flat, and E flat. And similarly for a D minor shape, with the capo on the nut, so this is open, D minor, C, A minor, D minor. And when we put the capo on the first fret, now these same shapes become E flat minor, C sharp minor, B flat minor, and back to our E flat minor. So yeah, we can use the capo up and down the fretboard. For instance, putting the capo on the second fret, if we're talking about using our DGA shape, D, G, A, D, on the second fret, now these shapes become an E, A, B, and E. For the third fret, again, same thing, F, B flat, C, and F. Fourth fret, we have an F sharp, a B, a C sharp, and back to the F sharp. And up here on the fifth fret, we're up to a G now. So a G, a C, a D, and a G. Now this works quite well up the neck to a point. For melodies in C or C sharp, instead of bringing the capo all the way up to the 10th or the 11th fret, doesn't really make sense. So what we would do is leave the capo on the 5th fret and play a C with a G shape. So now we have the capo on the 5th, we're playing a G shape up here on the 10th fret, and this is our C chord. So for melodies in C, this works quite well. C, F, G, C. And similarly for C sharp, do the same thing, just bring the capo up to the 6th fret, and now this G shape with the capo on the 6th fret becomes C sharp. So in the next segment, let's look at how to accompany tunes in double drop D tuning that are in different keys like G, A minor, E minor, B minor, without actually using a capo.